Tromba AI is an automation intelligence solution that can be custom built to fit any enterprise's needs. Today, we're going to be looking at a policy renewal process. This demo is going to simulate a policy renewal process for an auto insurance company. It's also going to illustrate how Tromba AI, which is built on Kofax TotalAgility, can help you with your process automation strategy. Tromba AI's advanced process orchestration engines can help automate multiple tasks as well as prioritize your work while removing any and all distractions from your users. We will begin by showing you what we're going to renew. This screen is mainly just for visual. We have 3 policies with a 12/1 renewal date. Those are the ones that we're going to be renewing today. Now, when we press the Run Renewals button, there's a lot of things that are going to happen behind the scenes, and this is where Tromba AI shines. If you think about all the information that an underwriter would need in order to make an informed decision on a policy renewal, it is a lot. You need premium information, loss information, new rate information, coverage details, and maybe address information if they're in multiple states. There's a lot of information to collect. So Tromba AI can help with all of that information gathering from different sources and then present it in one place for your users. This is the work queue, and this is where your users will be doing the majority of their work. As you can see on the left, it is organized by queries. Queries are basically just like they sound, querying specific data based on criteria. So we are organizing our work based on these queries. You will see only what you need to see in these queries. You can customize your queries to suit your needs. Alternatively, you can also set up shared queries that will be seen across all of your users. In your processes, you will also be able to define priorities for your jobs. Then you can adjust your queries or due dates based on those priorities. You can also customize your SLAs on your process. If you need to be more specific in your assignments, that can be done as well. In this demo, everything is designed to be the highest priority and assigned to one person. However, Tromba AI can be customized to your process, so your work can be organized, prioritizing according to your requirements. Now, when we click on our policy renewal review, we will be immediately presented with all the information that was previously mentioned. So we have our policy information on the right, we have our renewal information on the left, and then coverage details and notes down below it. All of these details can be pulled from different systems, so there's no longer a need for going to different places to find that information. Tromba AI pulls it all together in one common form so that your users are not distracted. Another key integration piece that Tromba AI offers is access to your repository. On the left, you will see a file folder with documents in it. When you click on the loss runs, you will see a PDF with loss information on it. As part of the renewal process, Tromba AI ran a robot that automatically collected this loss information and put it into a loss run report for the underwriter to gauge how the policy is doing. That robot was given a policy number. It then went into a separate system, collected all the information that was necessary, did any calculations that were imported, and then formatted the document, and then put it into our repository. Again, automating those repeatable tasks helps your users speed and efficiency, which delivers value to you and your customers. So these 3 buttons drive the decision-making for the underwriter. They can complete this renewal. By doing so, it will automatically shoot the customer an email with a renewal report that they can sign and then execute and get back to the insurance company. Pressing the Escalate button will automatically send the information to a manager or senior underwriter to help resolve any issues or provide more insight. Now, this will automatically route the job to a senior underwriter or manager, so you don't need to send a follow-up email that could potentially get lost in the shuffle or if you didn't have the correct details. It is all contained within Tromba AI. Both Complete and Escalate require a note. There's also a Cancel button on the form if you need to head back to the work queue. Your work stays where it is, and you can come pick it up at a later date. Now, if we follow the Escalate route, we're going to log in as a manager. You will see the exact same work queue as before with the underwriter. However, you only see the work assigned to the manager. You don't see any of the policy renewal activities because those aren't assigned to us. So you only get to look at what you are assigned to. As a manager, you can rearrange your own work via the query functionality to help organize your task list. When you click on Manager Review, you'll be taken into a similar form as the underwriter. You will be presented with all the same information. You can see into the repository for any updated documents. However, these screens can be configured differently if you wish them to be. If the manager needs to see more information or less, that can all be configured. The buttons that the manager has access to are the Terminate button. This will send out an automatic email with a termination letter attached to the customer. This is another repeatable task notifying the customer that can be done automatically using Tromba AI. You can also send it back to the underwriter with some notes about wanting to renew the policy. All those notes and work are contained within Tromba AI, ensuring that nothing gets lost in the shuffle when renewing this policy. There's also a cancel button that will direct you back to the work queue. This is one of those automated emails that was sent out with the appropriate attachment. But I also wanted to mention reporting. All of these processes can be reported on using Kofax Insight. SLAs, productivity reports, efficiency reports are all possible using our reporting tools. With that knowledge, you can better arrange your day for specific tasks and manage your workloads more effectively. In this video, we've seen Tromba AI's policy renewal process that will save your enterprise time and effort by automating process tasks and helping organize your work how you need it. However, that is just a piece of what Tromba AI can do for your enterprise. We have other videos that highlight other disciplines. Please check those out on our Tromba Technologies website or our LinkedIn profile. Thank you for watching.